Driver education programs and examinations are designed to develop safe and capable drivers who are knowledgeable about and understand the rules of the road. National Highway Transportation Safety Administration. Our driver education course aims to transfer knowledge, develop skills, and enhance the driver's disposition, thereby reducing crashes, injuries, and fatalities. A driver who does not possess the following knowledge must be considered a hazard. State highway laws, local rules and regulations, maintenance procedures, incident and emergency procedures, defensive driving, basic first aid. Are you knowledgeable in each of these areas?